Hey everybody, quick tip here for you. So I'm actually waiting on a client to show up. So I was doing a little bit of background digging before he got here. And I didn't know if everybody knew, but things like water heaters and HVAC, right? These things are actually very easy to date. So, many of these, they don't actually have the date stamped on it that they were manufactured. But just like a car has a VIN number, and that VIN number tells you a lot about the car, when it was made, and things like that. So too is our water heaters and HVAC systems. So you can look at the serial number on those units. Each manufacturer has a different way of labeling what the date system is, right? But if you can do just a quick Google search, right? If the water heater is a Bradford White, you search Bradford White serial number aging or something like that, and it'll give you the sort of the code to decipher, right, when the unit was made. So this one, same deal as I'm waiting for the client to show up for the showing. I looked at water heater and HVAC. Interior and exterior HVAC systems were done in 2020. Water heater also in 2020. So looking good here. Can't wait for him to show up.